What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the Revell 1/24 scale Valvoline VW Golf Racer. Dave Rosenbaum. Apparently he was the driver, the owner of this car. I don't really know too much about it. I bought it because it's a full motor kit. Always appreciate those, especially when they're race kits. This was another eBay make offer. I'm just straight addicted to them. Say no to drugs. Well, what about eBay? Can I say no to eBay? Whew, I'm having a hard time with it. So we're gonna, it's an open box, but sealed inside. I've already peeked inside, so we're gonna take a look and see what's actually in this kit. Looking forward to building it. I can see already that the windows were kept out of the bag, but they're in good shape. Clear tail lights, headlights and rally lights, and some of the kind of side markers, but you know, it's not scratched or melted or anything, so those are in good shape. We'll look at the other parts that are in good shape. The decals look to be pretty decent. They're not extremely yellowed. I don't see any major cracking or anything. Some cool contingency stickers in there. There's that says "Say no to drugs," just like the box does. That's a decal of that. So I'm not sure what era this is, but you know, whatever. Cool. Decent looking decals. I'm gonna try a yellowing, set them on the window trick. I've heard that works. Anyways, old school style Revell manual instruction, pretty clear, pretty detailed. It should be, you know, pretty straightforward. What year is this kit? Just out of curiosity, if I can find a date on it somewhere. 1990. So, okay, cool. Perfect duty. The tires are in a bag by themselves, which is nice, so that way they didn't melt anything. It's a nice, big, wide tire for a little Volkswagen Golf. Looks like they say Dunlop. Cool. So we'll probably put those back in the bag when I put this thing away until such time that I decide to build it. The only bag to open here is an old, ew, slimy. What is that? Just ew. They take on this weird, almost greasy feel. The bag's plastic starts to melt. And I can also see already it's this strange yellow plastic. But we'll get right to the body. Nice deep panel lines. That'll detail up nicely. That'll paint nicely. Those won't hide. Some good under hood details. The kit, the box showed some spark plug wires. Those must have been added on because I didn't find anything in here when I peeked already. That's kind of why I was looking, but you know, that's not hard to do. The over fenders are molded to the body, so that's cool. It's nice and easy, save you a little bit of work. An optional sunroof. I mean, you could cut that open, but there's no glass portion for it, so it would be an open sunroof. Probably just leave that alone. Got a couple holes there on the side. I'm not sure what those are for. We'll find out. This solid single piece interior tub. Got some texture on the package shelf. A couple speakers. Carpeting on the floor. Center console. Door cards have zero detail. The engine, that's got some nice detail to it. It's pretty basic. I mean, it's just two halves, and then your valve cover and heads and everything are already molded to it, so you know, it'd be a pretty simple build. Nice fan and transaxle. The steering wheel's got a nice factory OEM look to it. Bumpers front and rear. The underside, good markings, good details, good even down to like the fuel pump and whatever that is. You know, it's got some good that'll paint up nice. The shifter pedals are built into the dashboard, which also has some really nice details. I mean, really nice. Those are really crisp and prominent. That will also paint up really well. Oh, okay. Upon closer inspection, camera probably won't pick that up, but there's some raised markings along the top of that wow, they must have really had a fine brush to paint those. So that'll be fun. Suspension components, wheel backs. What a tiny little fan. Wow, that's tiny. I mean, it is just a little four-banger. Radiator. Looks like a rear diffuser, if you can call it that. Nice hood. Got some good details on the vents. The grill has there's a logo on there, a little GTI. Is it a GTI? Well, I really can't see. I can't see anyways. I'm blind. Some decent seats, suspension, and that about does it. Pretty basic kit, basic parts, but it should be a fun build. I found these old Revells to be, you know, pretty decent. So that about does it for the what's in the box for the Revell Valvoline VW Golf Racer. This will be another build coming up on the channel soon. So stay tuned. Click that like button and the notification button for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.